Yo, hey guys, welcome to the Blender. Today we're gonna make a new tutorial. Okay, let's go. First thing, go here, Shift A, Mesh, and Plane. S for scaling, make it big. Go for Edit Mode. Subdivide. Here make it 10. 10 again. Something like that. Select everything, E for extrude, a little up, go here, Ctrl R, make a loop cut, S for scaling, and something like that. And we go here to the physics, hit close, down, make pressure, make it 3, and more. Occlusion, self-occlusion, and down, and filled weight, and gravity is 0. Hit space. Oh, hit space. You got the below. Now you go here and apply, right click, and shade smooth. Get smooth below. And go to material. New material here, make it base color, make something okay, let's make it something pink a little. Something like that, it's gonna be okay.